Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be looking at organic chemistry, and this is brought to you by the Intelligentsia. Is organic chemistry so hard? Anyways, the father of organic chemistry is Frederick Wohler. So, organic chemistry is important because it is the study of life and all of the chemical reactions related to life. It consists of both living things and other stuffs. So, what is the universal organic compound? Or you can call it the universal element of organic compounds. That is carbon. Why do we call it the universal element of organic compounds? Because we can narrow all organic compounds down to carbon. They all have a part or particle of carbon. So, we are going to be looking at the 10 major organic compounds, or let me say, the 10 major particles in which you can find carbon as an organic compound in organic chemistry. First of all, we're looking at the alkanes. So, in organic chemistry, an alkane, sometimes called paraffin, is a historical name that has other meanings. It is an acyclic saturated hydrocarbon. In other words, an alkane consists of hydrogen and, there we go, carbon atoms arranged in a tree structure in which all the carbon to carbon bonds are single. When we say a single bond, it's just like 1 to 1. So like carbon to carbon, then you can have the hydrogens like around them. So you can have something like this. Carbon, wait, let me make that capital. Carbon to carbon. Okay, so you can have hydrogen joined by carbon, joined by carbon, then we have hydrogen. So this can be called a single bond. Okay, so the 10 major alkanes are methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, hectane, octane, nonane, and decane. If you're looking for a very easy formula to remember this, you can just say, you have to keep in mind methane, ethane, propane, and butane. But from here, we can just like say pentagon, pentane, hexagon, hexane, hectagon, hectane, octagon, octane, nonagon, nonane, and decagon, decane. So how do we figure out these formulas? So the general formula for alkanes are Cn, then we have H2n plus 2. That's all. CnH2n plus 2. How does this formula work? So going with methane, we can say, so C, methane is number 1. So the N is the number which it falls under. That's number 1. So C1, then we go with H, then 2. Okay, so 2 times 1 plus 2. From this we can figure out that the formula for methane is C, no need to write out the 1, so it just be like H, then 2 times 1 is 2 plus 2, 4, so it's just CH4, that's methane. Same with the rest. So from here we can say like, okay, let's go to the next slide. So we can say ethane, let's get this going. Ethane. So you can say ethane, just like we did here, CnH2n plus 2. Ethane is number 2. So we go with, since ethane is number 2, what do you do? So it becomes Cn is 2, then H, 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 2, that's 6. And the same for every single one. Thank you.